Hey everybody, check it out. I got a really cool one here for you. This is Crusty chocolate bar from the groceries. The Grossery gang. Alright, it says Crusty chocolate bar. 2 groceries inside. Alright, check it out. Check it out. Okay, I can't wait. Let's just open it up. See what we got. Alright, that's a pretty cool little thing. Okay, let's see. This is the whole list of stuff that you can get. You know, your little checklist and stuff. That out. And it goes on and on and on. There's so much to collect here. It's pretty cool. That's the Grossery gang. All right, let's see what we got inside here. Oh, they're bagged up too. Okay. What do we got? What are we getting? Oh yeah, check this little guy out. This little goofy guy. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, I'm about to tear the whole thing apart here. Okay. All right, let's see what we got. I know I can get it open. Check this guy out. That's pretty awesome stuff. If I can get a close up here and let it focus, you know. I have a little camera trouble here, but you guys can see it though. Okay. So that one I think is, let's see who that is. Search this little guy out. He has to be in here somewhere. No idea. It's not sticky soda, right guys? Terrible tomato sauce, maybe? What that looks like. Terrible tomato sauce. Alright, let's see who this other guy was. Okay, this is, let's see. Stale muffin. Gotta be. Stale muffin. That's about it. Just hold on to these because, you know, you can just look it up anytime you want. See what you got. That's about it. That's from the Half-Baked Bakery. And the other one's from the Awful Sauces. You got this little cool carrying case. Bam! It says Grossery gang right on it. It's cool, little collectibles. Cool to play with stuff. So, that's it, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. And I will see you soon. Bye.